guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing the wheels. I got these in that trade where I got the coilovers as well. Set of 4. They're style 69s. I believe it's 8.5 inches wide and then probably 9 inches in the back because these are 235s. Then the other two had 245s on them, but I could be wrong. But they're a little bit rough. So we're just going to go ahead and clean them up and then paint them. But overall, I mean, it's a pretty nice wheel. It's just a nice 5-spoke style. And I've been looking for some 18s anyways to clear the front M3 calipers that we're going to be putting on. So, I can't really complain. They came with tires. They're all mismatched and kind of jank. And usually I'm pretty particular about my tires, but, they're already on, so what are you going to do? But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get them cleaned up. Got the first one sanded down. We just went up to 320 grit sandpaper to get some of the big divots and cuts out, but should be good. We're gonna let it dry, then put some degreaser on it, and then we're going to prime it first, and probably do 2 coats of primer, and then we're going to sand it down again, just hit it with 1000 grit, try and make it as smooth as possible, and then we'll throw on that Duplicolor gunmetal. I really like the Duplicolor. I've used it once before on some other wheels, and it turns out really good, and it sprays real nice. It sprays super light, so you kind of have to try to get it to beat up and drip. So it's pretty easy to use, but. Alright, the primer's done. We sanded it again, degreased it. We're gonna go ahead and throw on the first coat of that gunmetal. It's actually a graphite, but we're gonna go ahead and throw that on. Got the last coat on both of them. I think it looks pretty good for just an afternoon job. It's not perfect, but they are brand new wheels anyways. But yeah, I think they look pretty good. We're gonna throw some matte clear on it and then call it a day on these. So yeah. Got the duplicolor wheel matte clear coat. Probably do 2 or 3. Not gonna go too many layers on there, but just to give it a little more protection. And again, duplicolor has some really good wheel spraying options. So yep.